Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video in the Huck's World. Today we're about to name off the winners of the giveaway. So hopefully the names that I call off are people who are from the US, and if you're not, just let me know. Eventually, I'm quite sure this developer may send me some watch faces for other countries, but this is going to be for the US. I want to thank everybody for commenting on this video. We're back outside doing another video, so you can tell I love being outside. Now this watch face called the Simple Assistant Premium is a beautiful 12-hour watch face. It is off the charts. All right, so again, thank you all, and thank you Tal Marshinsky, if I'm pronouncing that name right. He is the developer of this watch face. The guy got down. Now, if you don't win, which I tried to get everybody, listen, we got another review coming up on another one of his products, so just stay tuned for that. And with that being said, let's call up the names of the winners. All right, starting out with number one, we got OZ Bell, we got Carlos, we got Michael Later, if I pronounced that right, and we got Michael Berry. We also got Vince. What up, Vince? Vince is in the building. We got Flesh 710. We got Steve W. You know who you are. We got DREA. I want to say Drea. We got Joanne Whitaker. We got Gordon. We got Big Will in the building. And then we got Gary Giller. We got Brago 3347. We got Usman in the house. We got, I can't pronounce his name, MINHAJUR. Then we got number 16 is going to be Bobo Smith. Congratulations, Bobo. And we got YG in the building as well. Congratulations. And we got Glenn Jerome. What's up, Jerome? And also Joseph Porter and BB Page 889. Congratulations, you guys. I'm going to try to shoot this out either Saturday night or early Sunday morning. I got a busy day today. I got a busy day tomorrow. So be patient with me, but I will shoot them out. Now, what I need for you to do is hit me in my email. It should be running across the bottom of the screen. And that way I can get your email so I can send you your free watch face code. Again, thank you all for participating in this giveaway. Remember, we got another one coming up from this developer, and it is just as nice. All right, you all, I hope you all enjoyed the video. And if you did, don't leave before you hit the like button. And if you want to see more videos like this, and by all means, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care and peace out. Have a great weekend, everybody.